Hey, welcome to the Notion Mission Tracker template. If you are someone like me who has on each month some projects to do, for example, if I go to my Notion second brain system and go to in progress section here and I go to projects, for example, I have April projects. So I have like 7 projects to complete. This Notion template will help you to track your projects. I did rename projects here to, or maybe change the name from projects to missions, just you have missions every month. So let me show you how this Notion template works. First of all, we have some pages here. We have years, months, missions, and tasks. I have years here, which is 2025. And let me show you how you can add another year. For example, you can add 2026. You can go to 2026. If you are using this Notion template in 2026, you can go here, update the date to January 1, 2026. Okay. And then what you can do is add the end date as December 31, 2026. And here you can see it's not started yet. So this year, it's not started yet. So you will not see days left. But if we go to 2025, we will see that we have 270 days left until the end of this year. Now, if we open this year, we can go and to the month view here, and we can see all our months of this year. We can see January, all the 12 months. Here, I did create them automatically, and sorry, not automatically, manually by myself. But if you want to do that, for example, the next year, 2026, automatically, let me show you how you can do that. So now let's go back to months page here. Here we can see all 2025 months. But if you want, for example, to create each page automatically, you can go to the page setting or template setting, go to repeat, and then go to each month. So each month, a new page will be created automatically, and then you have to name it, for example, January 2026, for example. But I'm just gonna keep it off now because I already created all this year months. So for example, if you are using this Notion template at April or May, or don't worry, the next month you will see this, for example, June 2025 in the view here, current month, automatically. So don't worry about that. But for example, if you are using it at December 2025, you can whether go here, duplicate this view, okay, and rename it 2026. Okay, and then what you have to do is go to this filter here and remove 2025 and add 2026, and then you can either do the thing that I told you, which is make each month repeatable automatically, and then you have to name it January, and the next month, once this new page created, you will have to name it February, or you can do it at once. It will not take you more than 10 minutes and create the entire year months. For example, go January 2026, for example. You can like that, and add January, then February, then all the other months. Okay, so I just want to show you before we start explaining this Notion templates how you can create next year months. But for now, if you are using it on 2025, everything is all right. Here on each month, we have some properties. We have the year, which is related to 2025. We have the start dates and dates. All those stuff are basic. Here we can see the days left of each month. So for example, currently we are on April. It's currently today Saturday 5 April. So we have 25 days left until the end of this month. Here we have the monthly progress, which is based on our projects of this month. So once, for example, we accomplish all those project tasks, for example, this project or this mission updates my website. If I go to the tasks that are related to it and check it, it's now 100% done. And then if I go back to the month, which is April, and go to the build mission tracker template, which is this one, and finished all the tasks, we can see that now we have 100% in the progress, and also we can see all projects completed. This one here is hidden, so if you click here, show properties, we can see all projects are completed. You can make it visible, always show, and here is it. Okay, and now actually, we finished all what we have in this Notion templates, but let me show you a practical way of how to use it. For example, this is April. Let me just delete this one because I think I can create this example again. Let's go to second priority. So we have projects grouped here or missions grouped here by priorities. You can go to missions page here or create it from the mission page here, or you can go to the current month. So for example, on April, I can go to here and add a new mission. For example, creating this Notion template. And it's actually one of my missions of this month. So create missions tracker template. And here I can add some tasks that I will do in order to finish this mission or this project. So the first task I will do is design the template and set the databases. And this one, I did it yesterday. It's actually all those examples are real and it's done. I have another task, which is design, or maybe not design, complete the template, finish the template, which is I did it today, or I started yesterday and I finished it today. And the final one, which is currently I'm doing, recording a video tutorial for the template, which is I'm doing today, and it's done. Now, if we go to the content here, we can see that I can set, for example, the start date will be 1st April, and I finish it. Let's say I'm gonna finish it today. So 0 days left, and it's 100%, and I'm gonna switch the status to done. Now we can see it's done. This mission is done. So this is how you can create a mission each month or project each month. Okay, there is some stuff I want to show you. For example, let's say that this project was for the last month, which is March. So if I go to March and I'm gonna go to add dates March 1 or March, sorry, and then the end date, let's say something like 31. But let's say tasks, I didn't finish them. Let's say I didn't do these projects at all, and it's not started. Here we can see it's overdue. Okay, that means that this project or this mission is overdue. So then what I'm gonna do is switch it to this month and then, give myself some time to do it. And here we can see we have 25 days left until we can finish this mission. Of course, here, just like I showed you how you can add tasks, or you can see them here. So here in this view, we can see the current month, this is the dashboard. Here we can see the current month, which is April 2025. Next month automatically will be added here, and here we can see all the other properties. Here we can see tasks by projects of this month, except that if a task is done, once it's done, it will not be shown. Why? Because you will have many projects done. So I don't want you to see them all here, because if I showed all the other projects that are done, for example, let me show all of them. You see, it's missed, and we don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna show the projects that are not started or in the progress you are currently working on. So here you can see directly the one that are working on. For example, if you are working on this task, which is record the video tutorial, I can see it here, and the finished one, I can see them here. Or you can also go to the tasks page. Here you can see by missions all tasks, and here you can see only this month. Okay, so only this month. Of course, also here we can make it this month. It's much better. So we can go to add advanced filter and go to due date. So we can see only this month, tasks. Here also we can do that. We can do the same here. Let's go and add due date, month, and also for the finished one, let's go to month, due date, and month. That's it. So here is it. Let's go back to the tasks page. Just like I told you before, here we have my missions, we have this week tasks, we have this month, and we have all time tasks related to our missions. So just one note, this template I built it not to track your tasks. I have other Notion templates free, of course, that you can track your tasks, your habits, your journaling. This template is especially just to track your projects and missions. So that's almost what we have in the dashboard. Finally, we have average 2025 average progress. So here we can see the average progress based on all the 12 months of this year. So currently we have 13%. Yeah, we have 30% once you complete all, it depends on each month progress. For example, if this month 100%, the next month is 50%, and maybe all the other months are 100%, the progress will be something like 85 or currently something like that. You will see here your average progress of this year, how many projects you completed, progress. So yeah, that's what we have in this Notion template. If you're looking for more Notion templates to help you organize your life, check out my website, alsnotion.com. And here you can see free or paid Notion templates. Choose whatever you want. I always recommend the Second Brain 6.0. I know it's expensive a little bit, but it's the only template you will ever need in your life. It has everything you need, and I personally use it as my daily basis template. So yes, and if you don't have money, just check our other free Notion templates. See you in another Notion template. Bye bye.